The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Wally British are wicked. Let me just tell you straight, I'm not even a one month ago and bumbucklad talk. You post a video and you say you feel child molesters should get the same treatment as domestic violence. So basically what you say is if a woman beat a man, she for dead, and if a man beat a woman, him for dead. Cause every child molester for dead if you ask me, you know. Me always hear woman beat man, man beat woman, but me never hear say child rape man. Me hear about man rape child. It's a two different crime, right? When they use the same punishment as the two of them, I bet they just do that for every crime. So I'm just saying it wasn't making sense, you see, my friend. That's all. I wasn't even watching, I wasn't even looking at the video when I was responding to your message. I was looking at your caption. The video sick my stomach.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla Day here. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? And this whole thing that I'm going to talk to you right about now is basically about domestic violence. You see me? And I also have a video that shows off, the person that is known as Wally British, and she responded to what Dexter Daps had said, right? I just presented a video to you that shows off the person that is known as Dexter Daps. He's a Jamaican musician, or you can say Jamaican artist or entertainer, you see me? And he said something about what Wally British had said or done, you see me? But viewers and subscribers, there's words out there on social media, about a video, and according to what has been said on social media, and according to what I saw in the video as well, it seems as if this person, which is a male, was beating a female, right? And what has been said on social media is that these two persons were fighting. So what I'm saying to you, now I have some more videos that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, right? I have a video of the fight, or the video that is out on social media where it is said that the male beat the female. All right, some persons say a fight, all right, between the two couples. It is said that they are in a relationship. All right, and I have a video that is going to show of the same two persons who are said to be a couple trying to explain as to what had happened in that video where it is said that they were fighting, or it is said that the man was beating the female. And then I also have another video that is going to show of the female, right? And the female is talking about the person that is known as Wally British, and that video also shows of the same man again in the same video, you see me? And then I have a video that I'm going to show you of Wally British when she posted something on social media, or you can say she do a video that is out on social media where it was talking about the video where it is said that the man was beating the woman, or the man and the woman was fighting, you see me? Yeah, I'm going to show you all of these videos, viewers and subscribers. That's what I said. Now, the first video that I'm going to show you, viewers and subscribers, is going to show off the person that is known as Wally British, and she's replying to what Dexter Daps had said. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, take a look, listen, and observe.
Dexter Daps, me not care nor bring in this situation, sir. And whether you want to put your mouth and go and talk, you want to put up in the ear and talk, it really need a hear nor dirt me. Me don't say what me I say already. If me even I'm a rage or I'm upset or something, I feel like domestic abusers forget the same treatment as child molesters, and may have a little bit overdo it and I'm a rage, because when me see it hurt me and bring me from 0 to 100 real quick. Unlike you, we come like it no bother you none at all, it a kill me. So it not bother you, so me and you gotta have a different views. I might have overdid it there, but at the same time, would mind 2 man see man thump him and eat him short ribs to make him feel what the girl did a feel. You come on from my post again and talk about, alright, it's evident that boy need help. You know, see the video of the boy and the girl yesterday. Out of the two of them, which of them look like them need help? Which one of them more look like them mental to you? That boys have sound mind, if not nobody, and the girl something happen to you. But guess what? These things no bother you because of the norm. But it bother me, so me I gotta talk about him. You know, when a bad man I come from, I come from, So anything you have to do.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, with that part of the thing done with right there, so viewers and subscribers, right? Alright, just keep that in mind, what has been said in those two pieces of videos, you see me? Now, we're going to get into the video, right? And according to what has been said on social media, it seems as if this whole thing had started because of a video where a man and a woman, was in somewhat of a fighting thing, or it is said that the man was beating the woman. You see me? Now I'm going to show you this video that is out on social media where it is said that the man was beating the woman, or the couples were fighting, or whatsoever, right? Basically it is called a domestic dispute. All right, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, take a look and observe.
Bob, move. Now, fight again, no mais il n'arrête. Bon, là. No, vamos a la carrola. Ya.
Let me go. You stop here. You feel like I'm you feel like I'm laughing you. I don't want to deal with you. Hello. Go for your thing. No, stop it, man. Yeah, I'm going to say to me. No, say to me. What you doing? I'm going to fling one lick before.
Hello, young man.
But talk to God.
No, not deal with this, young man. Don't do that. No, young man. Hello. Don't deal with this, young man.
Which our best movie coward.
Now, after that had happened, viewers and subscribers, now, the two persons that were in the video that is said to be fighting, or it is said that the man was beating the woman, you see me, or you can say domestic dispute between the two persons, you see me, they went and did another video, you see me, and this video is out on social media where it is said that, you know, the two persons are basically one of the person, which is the male, you know, was explaining as to what had happened, and the female is seen in the video where she said something as well. That's what I'm saying to you. Now take a look, listen, and observe.
Global legend, name Kevin Rutherford. This is me and my woman Colleen Smith. And she live together. As you can see, we love each other deeply. And the look of video will go viral.
Also, I love him same way too.
The video will go viral. We apologize to every viewers. That would just a little slice or clip music video where I put some little pieces together, because if you go on the internet, YouTube right now, Global Legend, just type in Global Legend. If you spell a legend, L-E-G-E-N, not D. It's spelled like a name, you know? Legend. Just global space and legend. Yeah. And you will see all of my songs and thing, because we are doing 33 mixtape. Within the time of May, everything will be out there for you to see more about Global Legend. Yes, Mr. Larry is one of my hit songs also. So viewers, don't take this personal, because everything we're seeing right now is all about.
Viewers and subscribers, you hear what him just said a while ago, right? Alright. Let me know what you think about what this person had said. You see me? Because really and truly, me hear him say something, but you know, it's like me can't really and truly accept as to what me just hear. You see me? I say to you, yeah, me still I think, I say to myself, say, yo, you know, me no know, but me not sure what me just hear this person just said. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you another video that is going to show up these two persons again, you see me? And in this video, it's going to show up these two persons talking about persons out there that are talking about the video that is out on social media, where it is said that these two persons, they were, you know, in somewhat of a domestic dispute, you see me? Now, in this video, you know, one of these persons talk about the person that is known as Wally British, is what I'm saying to you, and you know, other things have been talked about as well in this video. Alright, so take a look, listen, and observe.
Wally British, me no know you not tell no lie upon me, because me think straight now to the police, them are ready.
So I don't want nobody feel say me, nobody, I don't want you even walk and call up my name, say me I call you. You even call you and I make you a ball. So you're lied. You're really lied.
Artist play a tune, man. See me, man.
Make it artist do us and put up it right now.
Artist play a tune, man. Who's
Well,
British?
Originally, you know, you said people you must can see liars them, you see me? Yeah man, because snake we under the grass have to come out for you see them. But them can't poison with no venom, no day, no time. You get the pre?
When vlogger one know, you know all the British?
Yeah, so you see all the British now, see the original man, and they beside her and she attack, you know. You get the pre? Them they lie, they just to get little views, you see me? Just you see. One of my little G them put up one little thing. You get the pre? Yo, people need to know this originally and straight. You say it again. We not support the domestic.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so you see it, that's how this whole thing is out there, isn't it? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you, the video now that shows up Wally British saying some things about the video where it is said that the man and the woman were fighting, or it is said that the man was beating the woman. You get me? Yeah, basically, it is called a domestic dispute. Is what I'm saying to you? Alright, but before we show you this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to say no to violence on or against woman, you see me? No man not supposed to have beat no woman, you see me? And if you flip that script around, no woman not supposed to have beat no man either, you see me? No one is supposed to be hurting anyone in any way, any possible time. No, nothing like that supposed to happen. You see what I said to you? Love is not beating someone. Love is not abusing someone. Love is caring, sharing, taking care of someone and make sure that they are always okay, happy, and is at the best of health. Is what I'm saying to you? Yes, so that's how I say love, and I am encourage each and everyone out there that they should live in love and harmony. And if at any time you see anyone out there abusing anyone, there is always the number that is known as the police number. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, there are necessary authorities out there that can handle this situation. Do not take the matters into your own hands. No bother with no jungle justice thing, because you might find yourself into trouble. Yes, what I said to you. So call the necessary authorities if you hear someone is hurting someone, and let them come deal with the matter. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, I'm going to show you the video of the person that is known as Wally British, and she's talking about a video that is out on social media, and according to what she had said is that this video shows of a man beating a woman. Is what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers, and this is not the whole entire video that she had done or put out there on social media, but however, I'm going to show you a piece of this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Remember, me afraid lick. Me afraid lick. So true, me don't know if I true, me afraid it, so me no like see it. Me no like see it. Me I tell you, me no like see it. Me no like see it. Me no like see it. Me no support jungle justice, but the brother there yesterday, that thump they went give that woman in her belly yesterday. I don't know how that girl still stand up on her 2 foot, because me know from ever to earth say hospital would have reached me up on a punch like that. Me know hospital would have reached me up on a punch like that. And me have more man where lick me already. And then father then near range and hear me a ball and stepmother and nobody no look. People who is just as wicked and evil as the culprit or the perpetrator. If you see these type of things, them and not do nothing about it. God bless the one woman in the video yesterday. God bless the one woman in the video yesterday where even though she wasn't able to physically do something, the fact that to try to even open her mouth, them other batty boy they were stand up with a video and the day they laugh, all them forget to find Arsenal too as well. All them forget to find all the sisters, all the mothers, all the aunts, all the uno, we have uno family member them a beat people uno not try for, even if uno can't beat them, even if uno love them so much that uno not go call police on them. Try to intervene and text it, because I don't know which boy I go a beat and a woman and him mother ball to him every day. I try to say, son, please stop do this, because me would want to see a man a beat me as your mother. Wanna try them the type of routine there. Try something, it might not help all, but it might help one.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? And, you know, some of the comments that have been made about some of these videos on social media is that, you know, a person is lying. And some persons are saying that, yo, this female is scared. You see what I'm saying to you? Some of these persons are saying that, yo, this person shouldn't be beating the woman. And some of the persons are saying other things. So what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers, yeah, there are things that has been said about these videos that is out on social media. Alright? Yeah, things have been said on social media about them. Alright. So this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers, right? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yazid.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man, hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.